Hi, I'm Karen, and if you've ever wondered how people are turning their knowledge into 6 or 7 figure incomes, let me tell you the secret. Ebooks are still one of the best kept secrets in digital business. I've personally earned thousands from one single ebook, and this is not unique to me. Many people are cashing in by packaging their expertise in digital products. Here's why ebooks are so powerful. They solve real problems for real people. They're scalable, and once they're created, they practically sell themselves. Imagine a product that works for you 24/7 without requiring additional time and effort. No client calls and no follow-ups, just steady income. If that sounds good to you, just hang tight. I'm going to show you how to create your own profitable ebook in 3 steps. How to come up with winning ideas, and how to create your ebook in under 24 hours. And then how will you sell it online for passive income? So let's get ready. Let's turn your knowledge into cash flow. Step 1, find your golden ticket. A profitable ebook solves a specific urgent problem for your audience. The mistake most people make is creating what they think people need instead of really what they want. I learned this one the hard way. When I first started digital products, I was running my pain clinic. My initial attempt at an ebook was focused on, you ready for this? Effective office layouts for wellness professionals. Ha! What was I thinking? I, of course, thought it was genius, but it totally flopped. Why? Because I didn't actually base it on my audience's actual pain points. And here's how you can avoid that mistake. Ask your audience. Send out a short survey asking questions like, what's your biggest challenge in whatever their field is? Or whatever they're having troubles or struggles with? Or what would make your life easier right now? If you don't have an email list yet, try YouTube polls, Facebook groups, Reddit forums, and even LinkedIn polls. Listen to the facts. Think about the questions that people ask you all the time. For example, in my pain clinic days, clients would constantly ask me how to manage chronic pain without taking medications. In fact, I used that for an ebook idea, and it really worked. Identify big problems. People will pay to solve their most pressing challenges. For instance, if you're in the construction industry, an ebook titled 5 Proven Strategies to Win High-Paying Bids could be a real hit. Focus on urgency and value. Step 2, creating an ebook doesn't have to take months. In fact, the quicker you can get your idea out there, the better. Let's go through this together. Number 1, you will need an outline or their journey. Start by mapping where your reader is now and where they want to go. For example, if your ebook is about attracting more clients for small businesses, the journey might look like these 3 steps. Identify your target audience. Craft an irresistible offer. And leverage social media to market your services. Number 2, then you're going to brainstorm your titles. Keep it simple and actionable. Here's an example. Chapter 1, why your current marketing isn't working. Chapter 2, how to create a lead magnet that converts. And then back to number 3, write fast and don't overthink it. Set a timer for 45 minutes per section and just get your ideas down. Think of it as your first draft. Tools like Google Docs or even voice-to-text apps can help speed up the process. Number 4, you're going to want to add your own personality. Once the draft is complete, read through it and make it sound like you. Remember, people buy from people they want to connect with, or that they feel like they can connect with. So let your voice shine through. And number 5, design it in the free version of Canva. If you don't have it downloaded, head over there and get that downloaded now. Canva has plenty of professional ebook templates. Go ahead and customize one with your branding, add your text, and voila! You're ready to publish. Keep the design clean and readable. Your audience is here for the content and not for the flashy graphics. Step 3, sell your ebook and start earning passive income that you deserve. Now that your ebook is ready, it's time to get it in front of people. Here are the best ways to market and sell your ebook. Create a simple sales page. Use platforms like GHL, which is an all-in-one platform, and that is what I like to use. You can host your product, build your website, your funnels, your lead captures, and run all automations in one place. And then you're going to highlight the problems your product solves, what readers will learn, and why it's worth buying. Leverage social media. Post snippets from your ebook as teasers on Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Of course, you can do shorts on YouTube. Share a tip from your ebook and end with, do you want to learn more? Or grab the full guide here. Offer a freebie. What I mean by that is you need to create free downloadable resources like a checklist or a cheat sheet related to your ebook. Use it to grow your email list. Nurture with multiple emails that bring value to your audience. Then finally pitch your ebook in the follow-up emails. Then you can upsell with bundles. You can pair your ebook with other digital products, like a mini course or a webinar replay. This increases the value and makes your offer irresistible. Try tapping into different affiliate programs. Partner with others in your niche who can promote your ebook to their audience. In exchange for a commission, it's a real win-win. Ebooks will work even in 2025. Ebooks are timeless because they solve real problems in a scalable way. Whether you're a small business owner, an expert in your field, or just someone with a passion to share, ebooks offer a path to passive income and financial freedom. My journey started with taking what I already knew and turning it into something others were willing to pay for. And if I can do it, so can you. Stop trading hours for dollars and start building something that works for you. Are you ready to get started? Download my free guide, 25 digital product ideas to kick off your journey. It's down in the link below. Let's make this the year you finally turn your expertise into passive income success. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next video.